What if I told you there's a legit website where people earn up to $10 CPM with no captchas, clean interface, and daily payouts? Yes, daily, and it's simple to use. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how it works. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're exploring ways to earn a little extra online by sharing links, you'll want to see this. This might be one of the easiest tools to get started with passive income. Before we dive in, let me quickly show you how to safely open shortened links on this platform. There's no captcha and the process is simple. Here's how it works, step by step. Step 1. When you click the link, a clean page will appear. No need to interact with anything, just wait for 15 seconds. Once it's done, scroll down and click the Continue button. Step 2. You'll reach another page. Again, just wait, around 10 seconds. After the wait, click the available Next button to proceed. Step 3. You'll be asked to wait one more time, around 15 seconds. Once done, scroll down and click Continue again. Step 4. Finally, you'll reach the final page. You will automatically come to another page. Click the Get Link button to go to your destination. For anyone new, the URL Shortener is a tool that turns long web links into short ones. Each time someone clicks your shortened link, you earn money based on where they are from. Here's what makes this platform stand out. Up to $10 CPM, no captcha, user-friendly pages, daily payouts, even with small balances. This is perfect for content creators, bloggers, Telegram channel admins, or anyone who shares useful links online. This platform is a great way to get started with online income, without investing anything. Click the sign up link in the description to try it out. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more.